my shadow on the floor, right by my feet, right by the door. Every step you follow through, like the world was safe, stuck to you. Yeah, you had this funny way, humping my feet like don't go away. You never did it to anyone else. Guess I was your whole damn self. Tiny paws, but a fearless soul. Didn't know the word let go. My Velcro dog, my brave little thing, warrior princess with a broken wing. You loved your breath, you loved to run, lick my hands like the day was one. Small body, but your heart stood tall. You were the bravest one of all. You sprinted fast like you'd beat the wind, then came back just to check on him. Cleaned my face with your sloppy kiss, like saying, hey, we're good like this. You stared down danger, no second thought. Even bullfrogs, you fought what you fought. Poison twice, but you still stood strong. Like pain never told you you were wrong. Every scar you wore with pride, you never learned how to hide. My Velcro dog, my brave little flame, little warrior who knew my name. You faced the world without a sound, even when it knocked you down. Small body, but your heart stood tall. You were the bravest one of all. December 19th, under the light, they tried to fix what wasn't right. Me almost scars, but you survived. You still looked at me like I'm alive. I thought we had more days to steal, more quiet moments just to feel. Your warmth stuck right against my side. I didn't know this was goodbye. My Velcro dog, don't run too far. I'll feel you here, wherever you are, in every step, in every room. In the silence I'll hear you zoom. Small body, but your love was loud. I hope you're sprinting free right now. If heaven has bread and space to run, if warrior princesses get the sun, then wait for me when my feet touch ground. I'll feel you there, no leash, no sound. My Velcro heart, my daisy girl.